Today we are very privileged to have Prakash Javadkar sir in our college.
It was a privilege for us for having HRD minister over here. He was here for the inaugural ceremony of robotics. The way he came, he inspected the whole thing. He interacted with us. It was very special, and we are very privileged to be studying in C.V. Raman College, which is ranked 92 among the top 100 colleges in India.
He also came across our various laboratories, including robotics, Bosch, and etc. He interacted with the participants and with all the labs he interacted. He was very impressed about what CVRC is having in our college.
For a student ये एक बहुत ही प्राउड मोमेंट होता है जब उनके मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ह्यूमन एंड रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट के मिनिस्टर उनसे मिलने आए, उनसे इंटरैक्ट करें और उनसे काफ़ी फ्रेंडली तरीके से बात करें और उनसे उनके प्रॉब्लम्स जाने। और ये इस बार आज जब हमारे यहाँ MHRD के मिनिस्टर श्री प्रकाश जावड़ेकर जी आए तो एक ऐसा माहौल हो गया था कॉलेज में कि इट वाज लाइक द मोस्ट एंथुसियास्टिक मोमेंट। सबको बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था।
We are very happy to have him here today. He was very friendly, his interaction was very inspiring, and he was here, as I mentioned earlier, he was here for the robotics inaugural. It is very important part in our life because the scenario we have today, robotics has been a very vital part. We know we have to work with the circuits, the robots.
And he interacted with us very well. उन्होंने बताया what robotics is all about.
And he interacted with us. He discussed about hackathon. It was an initiative by Smart India where participants from all around the world, from India, they came and they participated. They were into coding for 36 hours and they were working on it, coding, they are doing the programming stuff.
So friends, who were part of the Smart India Hackathon? Have your students participated?
I have done the volunteering in hackathon. So there was very great enthusiasm among all the participants. They have given a particular set of problem statement.
What was the problem statement here?
There were questions like parliamentary questions, and you have to develop web and application development regarding startups, which is very reliable for startups company that is coming in India. And there was also a project which was my favorite among how to deal with the dams, water dams, and its clearinity, and there were many such things.
Smart India Hackathon is like a marathon. Marathon लंबी दौड़ की प्रतिस्पर्धा है. Hackathon लंबी खोज की प्रतिस्पर्धा है. Got it? So, what is studentship? Is learning. And if you get actual project, hands-on project, I was skeptical when some people told me this idea 6 months ago. I said, we will do it. I said, what is the strength of students participating in America and Europe? They said 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Maximum is 10,000. I said, even in the first year, we will break all records. And this year, there were 72,000 engineering students. They participated. उन्होंने हिस्सा लिया और हिस्सा लेकर कल्पना क्या है, उनको एक प्रॉब्लम देना है, प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट की लिस्ट दी, आप एक प्रॉब्लम चूज करो और उस पर काम करो। अब प्रॉब्लम की लिस्ट कहां से देंगे? तो हमने सभी मंत्रालयों को पूछा कि आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम जिसका डिजिटल सॉल्यूशन चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस टाइम द थीम वाज डिजिटल सॉल्यूशन फॉर सिटीजन प्रॉब्लम। तो जिसका डिजिटल सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है, ऐसे कौन से प्रॉब्लम्स है आपके डिपार्टमेंट में? अब अगर मोदी ना होते तो पहले सरकारें तो अधिकारी कहते हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है ही नहीं, प्रॉब्लम तो जनता को होगी, हमें नहीं है कोई प्रॉब्लम। लेकिन अब विद द चेंज्ड कल्चर ऑफ गवर्नेंस, ये attitude of the departments also got changed, and I was, to my surprise, I was expecting maximum 100 आएंगे problem statement, but 30 ministries gave 600 problem statements. That was the biggest achievement. हमारे यहाँ रटकर पढ़ने की आदत है और रटता हुआ ही पढ़ाने की भी आदत है। तो 3 इडियट आपने देखा है, तो वैसा इंजीनियरिंग अनेक जगह एजुकेशन होता है। आपका कॉलेज चूंकि रैंकिंग में भी 100 रैंक्स में है, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी इन ए गुड कॉलेज। एक आइडिया आज जो चल रही है प्रैक्टिस आओ, अभी मैं आपके सभी लैब्स में गया, तो वो तो लैब्स है, वो लैब्स है, सो देयर यू आर लर्निंग हाउ टू ऑपरेट मशीन, हाउ टू डू job that you are learning. It's essential project of, but I asked students different questions, and one student, there was a product they have made that it tracks light, maximum light कहाँ है वहाँ वो घूमता है। So I said Mumbai IIT has already done this, because I saw Mumbai IIT product in Paris. The solar panel सूर्य फूल के जैसा, सूरज वही तत्व है ना, सूर्य फूल जो है तो वो जैसा सूरज जाता है वैसे घूमता है। द सेम टेक्नोलॉजी, यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड नेचर एंड योर इनोवेशन इज देयर। सो मुंबई IIT पीपल डेवलप दिस स्टूडेंट। आई आस्क्ड हिम, दे हैव ऑलरेडी डेवलप्ड, यू आर कॉपिंग? नो सर, ही सेड नो सर, वी आर नॉट कॉपिंग। ही सेड every problem has different solutions and we are working on a different solution through different methodology. Is there this student here who answered me? He answered me. Name, आपका नाम बताओ। हाँ? He is using his brain. ये आंसर जो दिया, ये मानता कर सकता है, he can become innovator. I can tell you right now. मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि इस संस्था में मैं आया, आपसे बात किया, क्योंकि यही छात्र का पढ़ने का समय है और पढ़ते पढ़ते पूछने का भी समय है और पूछते पूछते खोज करने का समय है। जब हम कुछ नया खोजेंगे हमें भी आनंद आएगा कि हम कुछ करके दिखाया। और बी दैट कॉन्फिडेंट, वर्क हार्ड ऑन योर इश्यूज, वर्क hard on your passion, and you will realize your dream. That is what studentship is all about. Thank you and all the best.